In this video, I will show you how to use the Stitch software. This is software you can use with data from your iGUIDE Planix R1. On the Stitch software, you are able to align scans that don't align, add notes, and make some adjustments. You can then export your scan data and upload it to the iGUIDE portal. Let's get started. Let's start by loading a scan. We'll select a project folder with a scan, then select Open. Our scan has been opened, as you can see on the software. If your scans do not align, you are able to make fine adjustments to make sure that your scans align. Let's make an example. If we select scan number 4 and then we move it out of alignment, we can then simply just move it back into alignment. Once you've made your adjustments and everything is aligned, you can then save the scan, and then you can also export it. Other tasks you can perform is to add notes. You can set initial panoramic images or pano angles. Let's proceed to export the scan data. We will select on Export Project. Let's ignore this error message. We'll select an initial panorama. The data has been exported successfully. To proceed with uploading the data to your iGUIDE portal, you can select on Create iGUIDE. For this example, we'll select on Close, then just navigate to the folder to see where the saved data is. If we go on the export folder, we can see our exported data. This is how you go about using the Stitch software.